enlightened being. But on a physiological level, you are moving the wings and channels of your body in such a way that it helps you to develop these qualities. So we might think, oh, let's go home and all do mantras and let's do para. You can do any mantra that your teacher has assigned you or any mantra you feel good with. And if you do it well, it will have the same effect. Don't have doubt. I want everybody to remember we're having a really good time now, and it's fun, it's interesting, and I'm going to be out here in a few minutes. But what I like to do to wake myself up to reality is this. Within 70 years, everybody in this room will be dead. Within 70 years. Every single person will be dead in this room. But everything we're doing until that time will not die. That's called karma. So whatever harm or anger or lack of forgiveness or not good things we're doing, it will follow us. It won't follow anybody else. It will follow us. If we meditate on that long enough and strong enough, meditate is what? Is to contemplate. We will see our actions change. Is that meant to frighten us? Yes, but in a way to make us become better. Is it frightened from someone on the outside? No. It's meant to frighten us from reality. What's important in my life then? I guess what I'm angry with, forgive. What people harm me with, forgive. And whatever negativities I've done, let me correct, because I can't change it. When we contemplate on how quick our life will end, it will change our attitudes. I wrote on my blog recently, the 5 regrets of the dying. Go on my blog and take a look at what people around the world say when they're dying. They're not Buddhists, they're just people. Take a look at my blog. It's called 5 Regrets of the Dying. It's what I've been talking about most of my life. So therefore, Tara became a fully enlightened being. Keeping an image or a statue of her in the room is not praying to her idol or praying to her statue. Buddha specifically said we don't pray to idols. So why do Buddhists make statues? Because they represent an energy that is out there, easier for us to concentrate. That's all it is. Simple as that. So the bigger the statue, the more it can remind people of an energy that's available in the universe out there. Because in the past, when people made big statues, they didn't have cars and all that. They could just run over. They can see it from a long distance, from another village. It inspired them. When they woke up, maybe they were angry. It calmed their mind down. So people made big statues in ancient times to help people from a long distance. Okay? Now, so I wanted, in Tibetan Buddhism, Tara is the deity that protects us from the 8 fears, as I mentioned, animals and black magic, poison, and shortness of life or sudden death. She protects us. If we recite her mantra, she helps us. Okay, so a lot of women out there say, oh, I'm going to do her because she's a feminist. That's okay. She's not really a feminist, but she became one. So, and a lot of people do Tara's mantra to become successful in what they're doing. I know people who do her mantra secretly at home. They don't tell anybody because they don't want to be seen as spiritual because it makes them look like a hippie or something. Or like a loser in life. Oh, you're a loser, that's why you're praying. No, that's not true. Look at Lee Kim, she's not a loser, she prays. She's got 3 great kids. I'm very cute, I'll take them home. Oh, no, I don't take them home, 17 on them. Send on them, and once you get there, we'll be real nice to them on their pain when you get there. Now, once you get there, okay, you go to 7 now. Now, so when we have an image of Tara, it represents this universal female energy that gives you long life, gives you health, protects you from black magic, protects you from animals, the animal in and the animal outside. Protects you from black magic and demons, mostly from the demons inside. So Tara's purpose is dual. Okay? So when we offer Tara to somebody, it represents long life, the destruction of obstacles and problems, and happiness for them and their surrounding people. That's what Tara represents. So that's what I would like to offer Uncle Siang tonight. My Tara statue. She's a little dark, a little blemished, because she's been prayed to a lot. But I want to offer her to you, to wish you a happy birthday. All right? She got stuck in traffic, relax. Oh, there she is. Yes, beautiful. This is happy birthday, Uncle Siang. Yes, come Uncle Siang. You come here, Nicholas. Uncle Siang, you come on that side. We take a nice picture. They all sitting there. The paparazzi here again. Tengu and me know what that feels like. The paparazzi's always chasing us, huh? This is for you. Thank you very much. You're very welcome. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. I don't know why he's in the picture. Good, good. This is for you. Long life. Happiness. More happiness. Spiritual peace. This one's for you. Because you're Chinese, so I give you Fu Lu Shou. Long life, health, and happiness, okay? Peace, Fu Lu Shou. I got them a little short and cute because you're tall.
No, I have a lot. This type is very good.
They're a little unusual, isn't it? Yes, this one's for you. Today, Janai, I can't keep smiling like this. Thanks. That's what come here. She's dying to get the picture. I know it. It's one of these people that can't keep her paws on. Let's take a picture with that, though. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much. You're welcome. You're welcome. Have a seat. Oh, nice cat can. Come right here. I heard the 3 little monsters are the 3 kids, so I want to give them one each for your birthday. This will keep them busy when they are noisy. You give one to each of the monsters. Keep the most complicated one to the big guy. Where's the big one? The oldest one. Very complicated. Good. This one's for monsters. Stop laughing, you'll probably go. Okay. Are you excited? Very small. Here it is. That's okay. Now sit down. Nice dress. Most of you know what that means. It means she's cute. That's what it means. Very cute. Don't grow up and be like your mommy, be serious. And I want to thank all the volunteers. What are the volunteers here for, Yokui? I'll test her, see if she forgot. What are they here for? What did they do? They help you paint your house.
So this is a appreciation party.
For?
The volunteers, they took part in 7 months job.
Are you sure? Is it 7 month or 12 month?
7 months.
Sure? Because I think the earrings are a little heavy, maybe you forgot. I've never seen her wear earrings, first time. You borrowed them from Yang? From KSA? Oh, you borrow some more. Just kidding. The volunteers from the 7th month, thank you very much for helping all of you. Why? We combine something from the old to something cultural here. And I encourage all of you to have a wonderful 7 month every year. Because during the 7 month, Chinese are quite frightened about ghosts and the hells opens and all the demons come out and all the ancestors come out. It could be true. I have no right to say yay or nay. But the thing is, during that month, people are worried and concerned. So if we have something available for them to focus their concern and manifest their concern, that would be very beneficial. And that's all it is. When people are down or worried or they're scared or they have some concerns, and Chinese culture is 5,000 years old, so they've been worrying about this every 7 months for 5,000 years, let's do something for them. Right? Because it's been going on for 5,000 years. Can you imagine? So that's how I want to thank all of you for that. Now I'm going to take my leave so all of you can continue your party or whatever you're doing. And I'm very happy to see all of you. Very nice to see all of you to speak for a few minutes. And I'm going to do a little short prayer for Uncle Siang's happy birthday and his family and all his family friends. Okay?
送到西周的大家就是搞这种手续。要是那位之间的说是后面做当就是公马上去就说我生意就是叫做送到西周，结果就把这个大概这边这里上万亿多万几的东西，结果就把生就里头说一年就把这个做啥一年对人方都知道的，结果很多人我就觉得这些娃娃那就是我上来一让我就是妈妈到我经常给去过妈妈自己其他上面对什么吧上去查个好的说，那么就是平常些把也是能碰到讲的。然后今天上一个问题，讲到中华共产党嘛，当然就把这种国产中华的在美国一个上些国际主义民主上，也让民生的一个方面，上些这种没这个话，中国人到现在确保了说，一他妈不如让他妈他妈给他要看阳明，避免这个这些现在是军人跟中国讲的样，对我们有政治上面打，赶紧给最近怎么搞，罗上就会想到说完的。我们大力都大力可以说啊，我们大力都大力可以说啊，我们大力都大力可以说啊，我们妈也想咋说啊，我们妈也想咋说啊，我们妈也想咋说啊，反正稍微老板就过去，那给你那边的同学嘛，他的节目可能其实这不是努力，我就这么说，反正找我老板就过去，当给你那边的同学嘛，他的节目可能就是这出道都我就这么说，反正找我老板就过去，当给你那边的同学嘛，他的节目可能就是这。讲究你宝宝都讲把它说大数据的上面的问题，真的中国不能干嘛的。要不这种老上讲法一两年一个一个啥学说，这就是就是估计嘛，这帮的经济7、8年别嘛样，管理管理别嘛说，电话里就是那妈妈上去就是的，对吧？几个嘛不管的，啥个不管说，直接叫我怎么把直接那么别个了，你直接嘛想往当直接嘛不当说，那么其实就是说，这个就你那点的。像网络上这玩意，两把月花就。